when her death drew near, Fatima addressed Asma bint Umays. She told her, Ya Asma, it doesn't please me to see how women are treated when they die, to see that women are covered with a cloth that reveal the shapes of their bodies. So she told Asma, do something for me. Isturini, conceal my body once I die. Sallu ala Muhammad wa ali Muhammad. You see, Lady Fatima alayha salam is preoccupied, is worried about anyone seeing her after she dies, let alone anyone seeing her when she's alive, alayha salatu wassalam. So she tells Asma, Isturini, do something for me that will conceal my body. Asma told her, I recall that when I was in Abyssinia, Ethiopia today, I saw the people there doing something, an old day coffin. I can make it for you. And if you like it, I will make it once you die. She told her, do it. Asma, rahmatullah alayha, asked for a mattress. The mattress was brought. She flipped the mattress and brought leaflets from palm trees. She took the stems of the leaflets and placed the stems on the corners of the mattress. Then she placed a cloth over the stems. When Fatima saw this was an all-day coffin. When Fatima saw it, alayha salam, she said, this is beautiful, marvelous. Though the person who's witnessing the coffin cannot tell whether the deceased is a male or a female. Now what's dazzling about the narration is that it says Fatima alayha salam was seen smiling. This was the only time she smiled after the death of Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wa alayhi. Now I need you to think, if she's smiling at that point, what does that mean? How valuable is the external and internal hijab for Fatima alayha afdal salatu wassalam? Are we Muslims today, males and females, applying the teachings of Fatima alayha salam? Or are we drifting away from the teachings of Fatima alayha afdal salatu wassalam?